Today's hiring event is an opportunity that we provide for our students in the Agua Fria High School District. They have the opportunity to come on down and interview with a myriad of our community business partners. They are offering field experiences, job shadowing, internships, and actual employment opportunities to our students. This is a really great opportunity for them to really get the field experience, apply their skills, see where their strengths are, build their resumes, and also service our community.
It's a very educational experience for both the student and for us. It's an opportunity for us to educate them on fields in the city that they might not think about. They do real life work along with a senior individual, and they're there for the entire school year and the hopes of getting hired at the end of it.
We're really excited because this is our community, so looking for an opportunity to see the connection between a career and education to get kids who are still at a young age, who might not know what's available to them, and the amazing benefits and career opportunities and job security that's available to them. So I think that alone is going to be an awesome opportunity for these kids.
We partnered with the city of Avondale to have this event where students can look for internships or summer work. Our kids can gain valuable experiences. It's a big part of our Academies of the Southwest Valley. Significant impact in what we're trying to do to create workforce development pathways for all of our students.